अभी बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टेज है फ्रॉम इंडिया। मिजोरम में 6 फंक्शनल EMRS है और टोटल EMRS being 17 EMRS from the state Mizoram
and such a bright color combination they are wearing. They look so beautiful.
Yeah, indeed, all the girls look very beautiful
In red and yellow.
तो रेड कॉम्बिनेशन में सारे बच्चे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट तो नजर आ रहे हैं,
है ना?
देखा
So
जाएगा
confident.
या तो देखा जाएगा कि लड़के और लड़कियां किस तरह से कल से पार्टिसिपेट करके गेम्स में जीतेंगे। हम सुपर एक्साइटेड हैं आप
So
सबको।
wish you all the best, Mizoram team.
अगला स्टेट ओडिशा।
And in the state Odisha, we have 27 functional EMRS, Zakita. That's so proud and that's so great.
27 सच में बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है। उड़ीसा जैसे स्टेट में 27 फंक्शनल EMRS और ग्रैंड टोटल वी हैव 104 EMRS in Odisha, which is the highest.
So, yeah,
Proud moment.
AP welcomes you guys. Wish you all the best. Yes, and that was Odisha. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Rajasthan. So, in the state Rajasthan, we have 30 functional EMRS, Likita.
Yes.
And boys and girls of Rajasthan, wish you all the best. And you look so pretty and so cool in the color combination of orange and
और राजस्थान के बच्चे मुझे लगता है कि छोटे से बड़े इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारे छोटे बच्चे भी नजर आ रहे हैं। बहुत खूब और बहुत सारे बॉयज हैं। मुझे लगता है राजस्थान बहुत जोश के साथ खेलने जा रहा है कल से और राजस्थान के बच्चे भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट नजर आ रहे हैं। देखा जाएगा कल से स्पोर्ट्स मीट में किस तरह का।
definitely I hope they give the best. And congratulations Rajasthan team. And now let's invite state Sikkim. They look so vibrant.
Exactly. Neon colors में क्या नजारा है सुपर।
And Nikita, we have 4 functional EMRS in Sikkim.
Great.
So Andhra Pradesh welcomes you, Sikkim team. So you give your best from tomorrow. Wish you all the best on behalf of 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022.
Lovely. So the state Sikkim, all the very best.
Yes.
Neon and orange.
And now let's invite Tamil Nadu with a big round of applause.
Tamil Nadu, the South Indian state, being our favorite state once again. Tamil Nadu के
And we have 8 functional EMRS. So even they look so pretty in the combination of violet, white, and we have actually 2 to 3 colors in that, right? But they look so pretty. And I wish you all the best on behalf of 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022.
Lovely. Tamil Nadu girls and boys, congratulations. बहुत बधाई आप सबको। बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं भी हमारी तरफ
And we
से।
request all the students, please look at your right.
While you enter, please look at your right
Yeah.
and please salute towards our stage and then you can exit.
Now, let's invite State Telangana with a big round of applause.
State Telangana, look at them. Lovely.
And in Telangana, we have 23 functional EMRS.
Wow. That's a huge number. Telangana
And we have
girls.
so many young girls in Telangana too. Those who have very much interest towards sports.
So Telangana boys and girls, good luck to you all. Telangana adjacent to the state Andhra Pradesh. To speak the
And
language.
we wish you all the best.
All the Telanganites, good luck to you.
And now, with a big round of applause, let's invite Tripura.
State Tripura.
And in the state Tripura, we have 5 functional EMRS.
The northeast state Tripura bordered on the 3 sides by Bangladesh and home to a very diverse mix of tribal cultures and religious groups. Welcome all of you to the state of Andhra Pradesh.
And we wish you all the best, state Tripura. And now, we would like to invite the state Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh is a state in the northern India with over 200 million inhabitants, the most populated state in India, and we are very glad that all the girls and boys are all set.
And we have 2 functional EMRS for Uttar Pradesh state.
क्या बात है उत्तर प्रदेश के बच्चे तो
And you look at the women, those who are representing Uttar Pradesh. She looks so pretty.
she looks beautiful.
Thank you all so much for coming here. And we wish you all the best on behalf of 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022. Welcome to Andhra Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश से इतने सारे बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स मीट में पार्टिसिपेट करना सच में बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट होगा हम सबके लिए और लड़कियां इतने सारे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं वो सच में इट इज क्रिएट द हिस्ट्री एंड अ माइलस्टोन
And,
इंडिया
and now we would like to invite the state Uttarakhand. So please join your hands and let's invite Uttarakhand.
Yet again, the northern India state crossed by the Himalayas. The major center for yoga study was made famous by the beaches in Uttarakhand.
And in Uttarakhand we have 3 functional EMRS.
जहाँ से गंगा नदी बहती है वहाँ से बच्चे भी बहने आ गए आंध्र प्रदेश में। ये क्या खूबसूरत नजराना है, क्या बात है। Lovely, good luck to all
And
of
look
you
at the
girls.
crowd, Likita.
Yes,
There are so many sports lovers in Uttarakhand too.
exactly.
As AP is hosting this grand event, really we feel very proud. Now we have so many states, so many students.
Being
Wish you
part
all
of
the
this
best. Yes.
National Sports Meet is truly the best thing for the state like Andhra Pradesh. Third EMRS National Sports Meet 2022.
Yes, and last but not least, we have an amazing state in front of us. So let's invite West Bengal.
West Bengal. West Bengal.
So we would like to invite you to 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022. And in West Bengal, we have 7 functional EMRS.
Functional EMRS. That's a good number too. तो वेस्ट बंगाल के बच्चे बहुत सारे शामिल हुए हैं हमारे साथ। ईस्टर्न इंडियन स्टेट्स बिटवीन हिमालयाज एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल। It retains all the architectural, cultural remnants apart from the sports culture. We welcome you all to the 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022.
And once again, proudly
Welcoming Andhra Pradesh students. Everybody make some noise.
host of this 3rd EMRS National Sports Meet 2022. 2022. And Likita, we have 28 functional EMRS in our Andhra Pradesh.
Wow, that's truly a great number. We congratulate all the Andhra Pradesh sports people for coming up with so many functional MRS.
Yes,
So
and
many
Andhra
functional.
Pradesh students వాళ్ళందరికీ boys కి girls కి అందరికీ కూడా once again hearty welcome and congratulations guys, wish you all the best. సో మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ చాలా మంది స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేస్తారు అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ కిడ్స్ ఆల్సో.
యా, లాట్ ఆఫ్ కిడ్స్, చాలా మంది పిల్లలు పాలు పంచుకోవడం ఇంత అద్భుతమైన ఈవెంట్ లో చాలా గర్వకారణమైన విషయం.
సో మీ అందరికీ కూడా థర్డ్ ఎంఆర్ఎస్ నేషనల్ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్ 2022 తరఫు నుంచి విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
So 22 states, 22 स्टेट हमारे सामने, अलग अलग देशों से अलग अलग बच्चे हमारे साथ एक ब्यूटीफुल इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करना बहुत ही खूबसूरत नजराना, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड कल से जो स्पोर्ट्स मीट स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है उसके लिए हम बहुत उत्सुक हैं.
And we would like to extend a very warm welcome to all the 22 states.
फिर एक बार आप सबको हमारी तरफ से हार्दिक स्वागत.
Yes, wish you all the best guys and thank you all so much for participating in this. And once again, we welcome you all to Andhra Pradesh.
थर्ड EMRS नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स मीट, ये लोगों के बारे में आप सब अभी तक जान लिए होंगे. लोगों में 3 मोटो हम प्रकट कर रहे हैं, जैसे एक्सप्लोर योर टैलेंट, चैलेंज योर कैपेबिलिटीज, अचीव योर ड्रीम्स. तो अगर आप लोगों की तरफ देखते हो तो लोगों में एक बंदा टॉर्च पकड़ के खड़ा है, रिप्रेजेंटिंग द इकोसिस्टम व्हिच इज द ट्राइबल कल्चर. तो इस ट्राइबल कल्चर के बारे में हम स्टार्टिंग से बात करते जा रहे हैं और ट्राइबल कल्चर के संबंधित जो भी बच्चे 22 स्टेट से हमारे सामने मौजूद है. बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है हम सबके लिए, बिकॉज लोगों के हिसाब से जो मैस्कट द ब्लैक बक.
Yes, and definitely we need to talk about that because black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh. Black buck is a symbol of purity, prosperity and peace. And according to Hindu mythology, the black buck draws the chariot of Lord Krishna. And the black buck has associations with the Indian culture, tribes such as the Vishnu is revered and care for most animals including the black buck.
तो ब्लैक बक जो कि मैस्कट है इस थर्ड EMRS नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स मीट का, तो बहुत ही खुशनसीब है हम कि इतने अच्छे मोटो के साथ, इतने अच्छे एम के साथ हम लोग आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So let's all hope for the best and hearty congratulations to all the students out here. लिए और देखने
And
के
it
लिए भी।
looks so interesting also. I think they deserve a big round of applause. Can we have a big round of applause, everybody?
सारे बच्चे ड्रम्स के साथ अभी अपना टैलेंट पेश करने जा रहे हैं। ये एक बहुत ही अद्भुत टैलेंट है, इसके लिए बहुत सारा एनर्जी, बहुत सारा कंसंट्रेशन और पैशन की ज़रूरत है। और जिस तरह से बच्चे डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ बजाते जा रहे हैं,
And above all, they need huge unity too.
या
Okay.
सो
Thanks to the band.
we would like to move forward with our next session.
Thank you so much. Thanks to our band people. And thank you so much. And now we request our chief guest. Thank you so much. We are done with the band people. Thank you so much.
దయచేసి ఆపేసేయండి బ్యాండ్.
Band ఇంకా అయిపోయింది. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Yes, మీ ఎనర్జీ మాకు అర్థమైంది. Thank you. And now we request our chief guest, Minister of State Tribal Affairs, Srimati Renuka Singh Saruta ji, to come forward and light the sports torch.
तो स्पोर्ट्स टॉर्च लाइटिंग के लिए हम अभी